Reliance just dropped the boldest AI vision India has ever seen. At its AGM, which definitely didn't look AI generated, Mukesh Ambani didn't just talk profits. He mapped out how India can become the world's most affordable AI hub, from gigawatt scale AI data centers to AI on a phone call, and now even AI partnerships with Google and Meta. This AGM was less of a financial update and more of an AI independence declaration for India. Reliance is building AI ready data centers in Jamnagar, powered entirely by green energy. So, why does this matter? Because electricity is the single biggest cost in AI. By powering models with its own renewable energy, Reliance claims it can deliver the world's lowest AI inferencing costs. Impact? Startups, SMEs, and even schools in India will get access to AI at prices Silicon Valley can't match. India won't just be the back office of AI, it could become the front line. Reliance also unveiled GeoBrain, a full stack AI platform to manage the entire AI lifecycle. It's already running inside Reliance, optimizing supply chains, powering customer service. The next step, offering it to every Indian enterprise. Think of it as an AI operating system for India Inc. And then came the consumer revolution, GeoPhone Call AI, which is strikingly similar to OpenAI's experimental service, 1-800 ChatGPT, enabling users to access its chatbot via WhatsApp and phone calls. Coming back to GeoPhone Call AI, users can now dial a number, add it to your call, and the AI records, transcribes, summarizes, even translates in real time. No apps, no smartphone, sorry. Just a simple phone line. For rural India, farmers, and the hearing impaired, this is AI meeting people where they are. Every Geo user will soon get 100 GB of free AI powered cloud storage. Your photos, invoices, homework, and medical records stored in India, enhanced by AI, and protected by Indian privacy laws. By bundling cloud plus AI, Reliance isn't just selling storage, it's creating connected intelligence, a digital ecosystem where data is always available, always intelligent, always local. Ambani also announced a new subsidiary, Reliance Intelligence. Its mission? Build India's next gen AI infra, attract world class talent, and house global partnerships. With Google, Reliance is launching a dedicated Jamnagar cloud region powered by Reliance Green Energy and Geo Networks. Sundar Pichai said this will bring world class AI compute to India, helping startups and enterprises scale faster. With Meta, Reliance is forming a joint venture to deploy open source AI models like Llama across energy, retail, telecom, and manufacturing. Mark Zuckerberg said this partnership will bring enterprise ready sovereign AI to every corner of India. These partnerships mean India won't just consume big tech AI, it will localize, own, and scale it for 1.4 billion people. Ambani also confirmed that Reliance Jio is preparing for its IPO by June 2026. This will be Reliance's first major listing since 2006 and could be one of India's biggest IPOs ever. Global investors, Google, Meta, and even SpaceX, via its Starlink tie up, have already bet big on Jio. The IPO could unlock massive shareholder value while cementing Jio as India's digital crown jewel. But beyond the numbers and partnerships, Ambani reframed AI as nation building tools. AI farmers to boost rural incomes, AI teachers for 300 million students, AI doctors to deliver preventive healthcare, AI Vyaparis to help small businesses compete globally. This isn't Silicon Valley's AI for productivity. This is India's AI for survival, growth, and leadership. If Geo democratized the internet, its next mission is clear: democratize AI. Built in India, powered by Indian energy, hosted on Indian soil for 1.4 billion Indians.